everybody, I'm so glad to meet you in my second lesson, and this is project number 2 in our combo of projects. All right, so today we're making a small nice basket for small things around your house that lay around and you want them to be in one place. Those can be keys or whatever small is lying all around your house. Now, to make my basket, I'm using t-shirt yarn. I hope you're acquainted with this type of yarn. This is how it looks like. Let me find. Okay, so t-shirt yarn is made out of t-shirts. Well, it's this flexible fabric. This is how it looks. Look, these are the leftovers of t-shirt production. You can also, of course, buy t-shirt yarn, which is initially made to be yarn. But in my case, these are the leftovers. It's less expensive, and I like that most cases the leftovers have some texture, have some pattern. You know, they're not just simple colors, but it's all up to you. You can decide which type to buy. I like this one. You might like something different, but anyway, you need t-shirt yarn, or you might be using cord, cotton cord, or it can be acrylic cord. Anyway, all types of cord work great here. Well, in my case, I will be using t-shirt yarn. Why? Because we need thick, absolutely thick yarn, chunky yarn, so that our basket keeps its shape. Okay, now you need the yarn, as I said, cord or t-shirt yarn, something thick, something that works best for big hooks. Well, my hook, here it is, it's 8 millimeters, somewhere here. I'll show you American sizes. Something that fits your yarn. This is how it looks. So again, we need to test our hook and yarn. Do they work together? Okay. This one works great because it's almost at the same level with the hook, like that. Sometimes people use smaller hooks. Well, depends. I like to control the hook and the yarn, and this is the simplest test I can make. Right, so after you have chosen the yarn, we are ready to start. How does our basket look like? So we start with a granny square. So this will be the bottom of the basket, and then I will show you what to do next. Now, well, by the way, it's like well, if you make this granny square bigger, and I will tell you about this just a bit later, if you make it bigger, you can even get a bag. Yeah, it can be a bag. Well, I'll show you next.